Hello everyone, I am Ausyellow and welcome to the first episode of my periodic table series in Minecraft chemistry. Now this is the periodic table. Don't get freaked out though, because although there's 118 as we can see from Organisium, you don't need to memorize all of them. The ones you need are these really. That's hydrogen, helium, sodium, magnesium, carbon, chlorine, potassium, calcium, tungsten, mercury and cerium. Also the blocks you need are the element constructor, compound creator, lab table and metal reducer. Now we'll start off with this one. Now you have the proton number, electron number and neutron number. Now the protons and electrons are always the same number unless you're doing ions, which are not in this game. Neutrons is always quite an annoying one. So the first element we want is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first on our periodic table, so it should have one proton and one electron. And yeah, it made it right there. And as you can see right here, hydrogen is the first element, so it has an atomic number of 1, meaning that it has one proton, one electron, and no neutrons, or it can have like up to 2 neutrons. Those are isotopes, which we won't really get into. Next one I want is helium for now, which is 2, and then carbon, which is 6. Now, traditionally, you want to fiddle around with the neutron number that, like, slightly higher than the element. Now, this is lutetium. Surprised how much I know about the periodic table. You want to go slightly higher than the first 2 numbers, and then you should hit the element. There we go. And it was lutetium. Okay, so the next one we're going to use is lab or compound creator. Now, this is like it's actually quite hard to do. You have to have a grand knowledge of compounds. But the first compound I'm going to make is latex, kind of like them things you have in rubber gloves. And yes, I'm going to be making a balloon. So we want hydrogen 8 to make latex and carbon 5. I'll put up a screenshot of the different kinds of compounds you can create. Carbon 5, hydrogen 8, doesn't matter in which way it goes round. So we have latex there. I want 6 of them. Also, a crafting table is relatively useful here because we are going to be making a balloon. Now, with the balloon, you can have any kind of colour. I'm going to choose yellow, hence the name Ausyellow alongside the skin. We also need a lead. So we want the latex to go round the outside. Like that, and we want the colour there, the lead there, and helium that we made earlier there. Yellow balloon. Now this is a really cool item, and of course you do get a lot of stuff in your inventory whenever you're doing chemistry. And this is a really cool item because of the funny things you can do with them. If you get a mob and attach a balloon to it, this is what happens. And because it's helium, oh, it's a baby pig. Bye bye. Never to be seen again. You can also attach it to a fence. Voila. You can also punch it as well, which is quite cool. And you can also shoot it with a bow and arrow, which is really sick. Also, if you attach a lead to a pig and put that on there and then attach a balloon to it, dear, not letting me attach it. Oh, yeah. There we go. Bye bye. Now this is really cool because you have 2 targets, the balloon and the pig. Got it. And if you want to get extra creative, you can make a pig balloon. So if we leash up the pig and attach a balloon to it, there we go. We have a pig balloon. Now we'll come on to multicoloured torches and sparklers in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Rip. Bye bye. Yeah, you can, yeah, I forgot about that. You can also put a balloon on and do that to it. Thank you so much for watching.